Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. If you are building a website on Squarespace, you already know it's super beginner friendly platform. But sometimes you have built a page layout you really like, maybe a service page or a landing page, and you want to reuse that design without rebuilding it from scratch. And that's where duplicating a page comes in handy. And in today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can duplicate a page in Squarespace. So just navigate to your website on Squarespace, and from here just click on these pages to see all of your pages. And I have the home page, contact page and about page. Let's say I want to duplicate this home page. So to duplicate this page, just hover on this and you will see there is a icon here as like a setting icon. So just click on this. It will open a pop-up, and from here you can see there is a title, the navigation title, the Slack URL and this kind of thing. Now scroll down and here you will see there is option for duplicating page. Simply just click on this and confirm this. See, our home page is duplicated. Now rename this page. Let's say I want to give the name for features. So this is our home page and this is our new features page which we duplicated from the home. So basically this is how you can easily duplicate your page on Squarespace. And that's how you duplicate a page on Squarespace. It's super simple and it saves you a tons of time when you are working on new design. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.